I'm going purple, and I'm super, super excited about it. I've been wanting to do it ever since I've been fading my hair, blah, blah, blah. If you didn't see my last hair color, go check it out. It is my sunset hair color, okay? And go check out the other video about how I faded it super fun and easy. It's pretty, that's a good video, okay? I also just finished bleaching my roots the other day, yesterday, and to get rid of the roots, and then I can just, it's faded to a good enough point where I feel like the color is going to go on it very well. So I'm super, super excited about that. And again, if you didn't see that video, go check it out now. Okay. All right, so as with any hair tutorial video, I'm gonna go over what I have and what you need if you are going to be doing this yourself. Bowls, 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 and gloves. And I'm very proud to say this time I went and got a new brush when I was at Sally's this last time, because they are like 79 cents. So I have 3 brushes, 1 for each color. So let's get started. All right, the very first step in this process is to change into my funky shirt that I don't care about. Here we go. Alrighty, next thing, I'm going to, I guess I'll go ahead and put my gloves on. Alrighty, so now that my gloves are on, I can go ahead and do my mixtures. So first of all, I'm just going to pour the purple rain by itself. No dilution necessary. And that's just for my roots, so I don't need but too much. We'll start with that. Okay, that's the easy one. Next, we're going to do girls' night. Okay. And if you've never used Arctic Fox, it smells amazing. They all do smell the same. Like, I kind of thought they would have different smells, which would be a really cool idea, but they all smell like grape. They're all super grapey. All right, I'm gonna start off with this much. So actually, let's do this brush and mix it together. That's a beautiful color. This is so, so, so pretty. So pretty. All right, so there's my mixture. Okay. All right, and next we have sunset orange. And again, I am not diluting this. Actually, let's dilute it slightly. All right, guys, so this is my orange mixture. It kind of blends in with the red. Hopefully you can see it. Let's go. Alrighty, so now that I have my hair pinned up, I'm gonna go ahead and start with the underneath all orange. I am going to open this door because it is ridiculously hot in here. It's not as aesthetically pleasing to the eye, but I'm hot, so yeah. Let's go. Orange. All right, guys, so the orange is done. Let me show you. This is the back. And I did pull my baby hairs. Okay, so because I have such a light color, I am going to put some foil to separate the purple and the orange portion. Yes, I'm ghetto. This is called redneck style. My daddy would be proud. Okay. Do you see this? It does nothing. Like this, what does this do? That does not protect anything. It's my aluminum foil ponytail. It's a new style. You didn't know I was starting trends over here, did you? All right. Let's do the purple. time in an effort to keep the colors separate. Because in the past I've had everything kind of blend together and then you don't know that there's 3 colors there. So what I did is I put the orange at the ends first, and then when I'm blending, I do the end, the top, the root, and then the end, and then the middle section. And when I do it, I just don't blend to the end so that the orange section can stay separate. And this is what that purple first layer looks like.
You're the one I want to chase. You're the one I want to hold. I don't want another minute go to waste. I want you and your beautiful soul. Yes.
This next layer closest to the top of my head, I decided to do all in purple, from the dark purple rain to Girls Night all the way to the end. And for my bangs, I always do them a little bit different, so I just like to show you guys what I do for that. Purple sunset look. So this is, it's pretty, I love it. It looks kind of, the orange looks kind of reddish here, but it is definitely orange and beautiful. And I love it. What do you think? Alrighty, well, I hope that you guys enjoyed this video and you like this as much as I do. I like it. Yes. Alright, well, thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more awesome videos, and I will see you on my next one. Okay, bye.